How to turn on or off mentions from following. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how we can turn on or off the mentions from the following. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to turn on or off mentions from the following. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote application on your device and make sure you're logged in. After you are logged in, you can go ahead and tap on your profile me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen and you will be taken to the profile page. So in order to go and disable on or off that option, you can go ahead and tap on this gear icon right beside your profile and you will be taken to this section right here. So you can go ahead and tap on this privacy settings and you will be taken to this page where you will be finding this option of allow mentions from following. So if you want to allow other people to mention you from your following list, you can go ahead and enable this option. But if you don't want mentions from the following, you can go ahead and disable this option and no longer mentions from following will be done. So these are the process you may follow up, which is super easy and straightforward in order to allow or disallow mentions from following. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.